Miss Aileen, you've been with Miss J for 2 decades already.
Yes po, Coach.
Parang giveaway tuloy. Parang may clue na kami, anong edad mo na eh. No? But how do you see yourself with Miss J in the future? Kasi ang tagal na ng pinagsamahan nyo. Ano pa yung ina-expect mo in the future?
Actually, first and foremost, Coach, ang maganda kasi kay Miss J, she always giving opportunity to all. Pag
Okay.
nakitaan ka niya ng potential and skills and good attitude lalo na, even though na parang ikaw, you're not confident enough with yourself na kaya mo, she will help you na, she will push you na, hindi, kaya yan. So, yun yung maganda kay Miss J. So, been with Miss J for 2 decades. Siguro, sana I'm praying, Coach, na magawa ko yung laging dinidream of ni Miss J for me.
Alright.
Yung maging successor niya.
Aha.
Kasi sometimes, Coach, ito, iiyak na ako, Coach.
Okay. Paki-close up. Music, please.
Kasi sometimes, Coach, with
Yeah, may
the high...
pang-music ka pa.
With the high expectation nga, since I've been with Miss J with 2 decades, syempre, iba yung expectations niya sa akin eh. But sometimes, syempre, may mga challenges. So, minsan di ko siya nagagawa. But I'm praying and I'm still looking forward to it na maging successor talaga niya in the future.
Alright. Thank you. Thank you, Miss Aileen. Hindi lang sa paluha, hindi lang sa ratings, but more importantly, yan na si Miss J. Oh. Naiiyak din ata si Miss J. Hindi lang sa paluha, hindi lang sa mataas na ratings, but thank you for a very full of insight yung nasabi mo. No? Kasi that's what leadership is about. You don't become a leader just because you want to earn. You become a leader to empower others. And yun yung naging partnership ni Miss J at ni Miss Aileen.